Here's how to fix inverted colors on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you find all of the colors seem to be inverted, everything black is now white and white is now black, you can always set everything back to normal. I'll walk you through that process. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into your settings here, and we're going to scroll down, and right under General, let's choose Accessibility. Now, again, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and the third option here under Zoom is Display and Text Size. Let's tap on that. You'll be able to do everything right in here. If you scroll down, there are two ways to invert colors. One is Classic Invert, and the other one is Smart Invert. If you want to toggle those off, you just need to turn them off here. Now, you'll be able to see both of those are turned off. However, keep in mind, you might also have color filters turned on that might be also messing with the colors. So tap on color filters. And if you have any of these turned on, you can also just turn those off and everything will be back to the normal default colors instead of everything being inverted. If you accidentally did this or someone else did this, you can fix everything just by going through this process. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.